So let's practice doing some division problems. Now remember, what we can actually do now though is to do division problems, we can think backwards and actually use multiplication. So, 14 divided by 2 means how many 2's does it actually take to get 7? So what I can do is just count by 2's and go, well, 2, 4, 6, 8. I got to get to 14, don't I? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That took 7 2's to get there. So we also know that 7 times 2 does give me 14, and that does check out. So 7 2's does give me 14, and that does check out. 32 divided by 8 is what? In other words, how many 8's does it take to get to 32? So if I use my 8's, remember the little trick was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you could also go 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you appreciate? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you appreciate? So we can use that pattern to develop our 8 facts. And we need to figure out where 32 falls into this. So notice that it takes 8, 16, 24, 32. It took 4 facts to get down there to the 32. So that means that 32 divided by 8 is 4, because it was 4 times 8 that actually gave me the 32. So that does check out. So 32 divided by 8 would have to be 4. So 36 divided by 6 is what? So in other words, what times 6 is 36? Remember, that's the rhymer. 6 times 6 is 36. So by using multiplication, 6 times 6 is 36. I can now come back over here and put in my 6. 63 divided by 9 is going to be what? So again, what we're basically saying is what times 9, or how many 9's does it take to get 63? So that's my thought process. And again, you don't have to necessarily write that down. You can be using that in your head, but that's essentially what I'm thinking, my math reasoning for the problem. Now, if you don't know your 9's, we do have a little trick. Remember, we can just go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down the page, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up the page. That generates your 9 facts. So we need a 63. The 63 is way down here. Well, how many 9's did it actually take to get there? So it's 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Well, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 facts. So it took 7 9's to get 63. So that means that 63 divided in groups of 9 is going to give me 7 groups, or in other words, our quotient would be 7. 33 divided by 11 is going to be what? Again, what that's asking then is how many 11's is it going to take to get 33? And remember, 11's are easy to do as well. That's that 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So those are those that just have the same digit twice. So 11, 22, 33, that would be 3 11's is 33. So 3 times 11 is 33. So that means that 33 divided by 11 is then 3. So the quotient is 3. 80 divided by 10 is what? We'll count by 10's, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That would be 8 tenths. So we also say, what times 10 is 80. And remember, if you're dealing with 10, you can actually ignore the trailing 0 and just say, what times 1 is going to give me that 8. So 8 times 1 is 8, and there's that trailing 0. And remember, multiplying by 10 just means to add the 0. So 10's got a few options there. on that one. So 80 divided by 10, the quotient would be 8. 24 divided by 4 is going to be something. Well, what times 4 is 24? Remember, that's that rhymer. 6 times 4 is 24. That's another one of those little 6 facts. 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 divided by 4 would have to be 6. And that would be the quotient to that one. 40 divided by 5, basically saying, well, how many 5s does it take to get 40? So it's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's 8. So 40 divided by 5 is going to be 8, because 8 times 5 does indeed give me my 40. So notice how we are using multiplication to actually do division problems. And remember, there's that 7 trick, there's the 8 trick, and the 9 trick to solve these problems. You also can use what they call stick math. You know, you can use 7 sticks or 8 sticks or 9 sticks. That's more time consuming, but the tricks can help you with some of those facts. But this is where memorization kind of comes in. If you can memorize those facts, multiplication and division can become actually rather easy if you can memorize things. But otherwise, there are some tricks. So again, you can use multiplication to actually solve division problems. So let's see how you do on that.